Have you ever wondered how the sun creates its warm, glowing light that makes life possible on Earth? Deep inside the sun, there's a marvelous process happening called nuclear fusion, and scientists are trying to copy this magical trick right here on our planet. The secret behind the sun's energy is simple, yet powerful. Imagine the sun as a giant kitchen where tiny ingredients called atoms whiz about. The sun takes the smallest atom, hydrogen, and squashes it together with another, squeezing them so tightly that they stick to each other. When two hydrogen atoms join, they turn into one new atom, helium. During this fusion, a huge amount of energy is released as heat and light. This energy travels across space and gives us sunlight, warmth, and even helps plants grow. Fusion is different from the way humans usually get energy. Most power stations use fuels that burn, like coal, gas, or oil. Burning these creates carbon emissions, which can harm our planet. Nuclear fusion, however, produces energy without releasing carbon and gives off almost no waste. If we could master fusion, we have a cleaner way to power our homes, schools, and even cars. But how do scientists try to bring the sun's process down to Earth? They build special machines called reactors. These reactors need to heat hydrogen to unimaginably high temperatures, much hotter than the center of the sun itself. At these temperatures, atoms move so fast that they can crash into each other and fuse, just like in the sun. To help this along, scientists sometimes use powerful magnets to trap the superhot mixture inside a donut-shaped chamber, making sure it doesn't touch the walls and cool down. The challenge is huge. It's hard to keep the fuel hot and squeeze it enough for fusion to happen. The machines must protect themselves from the scorching heat while still allowing fusion to take place. Scientists from all over the world are working on this puzzle, testing different ways and sharing ideas. They dream of a day when fusion reactors will supply almost unlimited energy, with just a pinch of hydrogen and no smoky clouds in the sky. So, why is fusion special? First, it uses hydrogen, which is very common. We can find it in water, air, and deep underground. Second, it doesn't make the dangerous waste that old nuclear power creates. And most importantly, fusion doesn't release carbon dioxide, so it won't add to global warming. If scientists succeed, fusion could change our world. Imagine never worrying about running out of electricity or harming the Earth with pollution. We'd be using the same process that powers all the stars in the universe. Fusion is like a friendly fire from space, waiting to be tamed for our future. The search for fusion is still ongoing, but each year brings new discoveries and hope.